This is the retractable roof truss system. The real innovation, however, is the 5-story underground pitch mechanism shown here.
The simulation confirms we are maintaining the 18 to 24 degree range.
Yes, and the humidity is stable at 70% across all levels.
Temperatures. The chromium levels are exactly where we need them, 17.22%.
And the molybdenum confirms that
Bring it left, easy now.
Copy that, moving left, clear the cooling bed.
Take the tension now, slow lift.
Clear on the supports.
All right, crane, easy down, hold it. And set.
West access is clear, convoy proceeding.
Copy that.
Driver, slowly back it in, watching the towers. Rigging secure. Take the tension slowly, crane 1. Copy that. Tensioning the main hoist. Area clear below. Looks good, clear the roof line.
Roger that, elevation steady.
We're lined up, I'm through the hole. Roger that, setting the drift.
Control, we have some water ingress near the upper right quadrant. Advise proceeding with caution.
We're reaching the specified level here. Copy that, moving the boom slightly north now.
Hit that clamp hard. Setting the prop now. The laser is showing high on the left. Adjust it slowly.
Cuidado con este gancho, pesa mucho.
Dale, aquí lo tengo. Asegúrate que quede a 150 milímetros.
Elevation negative 31.245 meters. Design negative 31.250. Variance plus 5 millimeters. Pass.
Check the alignment on B4. We have to be precise, within half a millimeter.
All right, easy now, watch the cradle.
Check the serial against the manifest. This is the 800 millimeter bore for the Bernabéu pit.
Confirmed, it matches the paperwork.
Hold the position. Adjust slightly to the east. We have clearance. Confirmed. Lower to the shims.
Hitting 850 now.
Okay, let's initiate the pressure test.
No leaks detected at 450 bar.
slowly on the main hoist. We have clearance on the west side.
Copy that. Dropping 5 centimeters. Be advised, proximity warning active. Keep it steady.
All right, easy now, a little to the left.
Got it. Sending the pin.
Pin seated, firing up the welder.
Full cycle test complete. All parameters nominal.
Initiating startup sequence.
Fans are stable. We have positive pressure.
Fixture secure. Ready for the test sequence.
Activating the bank now. Power steady.
Confirmed 800 micromoles at grass level.
Slow and steady on the east side. We are within tolerance. Now lock it down.
Check the alignment on the far side. Looks good here. Ready for the test roll.
Okay, the line is connected. Start the inflation sequence.
Copy that. Pressure coming up now. Looks good from here.
Roof close Tankens, England. Full cycle test, minus initiate.
Command executed. Full white illumination.
All right, bring it up slow, steady now.
Copy that. Watching the brackets.
Okay, lock it in.
Okay, pushing the synchronization sequence now.
Look at that response. It's absolutely perfect. The brightness is incredible.
The seating configuration looks excellent from up here.
And the kitchen is fully operational, chef.
Just finalizing the screen calibration now.
It is perfect. Tell the team to start harvesting section 3 immediately.
Understood, Jefe. They are already moving the machinery.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the edge. All right, hold it there, looks good.
Okay, easy now. Stop exactly on the line. Stopping now. Cranes are clear to approach.
All right, bring it forward slowly. Watch the alignment on the far side.
Copy that. Watching the edge now.
Pitch retract. Manzas all sections. Anitas initiate.
Keep the center section moving. Alignment check on grid 4, looking good. Clear the zone now, panels locking in.
Pitch deploy. 1. All sections initiate.
The moisture levels are perfect. Look at that root structure, absolutely flawless. It worked, the pitch is match ready.
Match day auto sequence initiated. Confirming roof closure.
Pitch system confirmed. HVAC stabilized. All systems operational.
All right, team, final checks on level 2.
Welcome to the executive suite. Please come right this way. We hope you enjoy the match.
Check the laser. Is it exactly 11 meters to the spot?
Confirmed, exactly 11. Drainage looks good over here too.
Systems verification complete. All components online. The facility is now operationally complete.
The transformation that seemed impossible. A natural grass pitch that moves 30 meters underground.